Hey everybody, it is Sam with Nexus Workshop, and I am here at Transworld where we are launching our universal prop controller. This is the Nexus controller. It is really awesome. We basically have been talking about it as we've been building props for the last 10 years, and 10 years of those props, rebuilding it over and over and over again, iterating, getting bigger, all the different things we've needed to do, and we've been putting all of that down into this single controller. The thing that makes it really cool is that it is a completely UI-driven, no-code setup to configure these and make them do whatever it is you want to do. All that power, all the things that we're known for, integrating media, different props, connections, very deep conditional logic, it can do all of that. Now, similar to other controllers out there on the market, you can also do it very easily. This is available as a system right here. This is $90 we're launching at the show, or we can also sell it to you with housings, with additional pinouts already wired and set up for what you want for your prop if you have something specifically, or you can buy it inside one of our ready-made props as we build them just to go, completely custom, completely to your specs. With this controller, it is an open hardware system, which means you have a number of pins, similar to if you're just working with an Arduino or an ESP32. You've got that number of pins. They can each be any input, any output. You're using those same off-the-shelf, ready-to-go modules you can buy on Amazon, local electronics store, whatever. So it's very cheap to add all of those different modules and whatever flexibility you want. Now, you also get the power, though, of never needing to code anything. Instead, we've got all the system's drivers in the background. You're able to simply configure it up, say, hey, on this pin, I put a button, on this pin, I put a relay. We have our prop wizard built into our controller, so when you access it through its web UI, no internet required, but use any browser, you can connect up to it to configure. As you do that, it step you through the prop wizard. The prop wizard can let you do things like, hey, I have a 4-button game and I wanted to open a relay. Instant, it's done, you're set. Tell it to code, no more. Or you can completely deep into it, have fully conditional logic, ifs, ands, ors, leading into each other, looking at the game state, looking at variables, looking at other props, waiting for control. You can build dashboards. You can have game masters who are looking at a web page and can see everything going on. Not only do they see whether the players entered the code or not, they see what they entered, and they can use that as information to help hint them along. Hey, you flipped the location of these 2 RFID tags, whatnot. This is truly everything we ever wanted out of a controller as prop builders. We built it for ourselves first and then realized this is the product. We're really excited to show this to you. You can actually view this on our website, nexusworkshop.com/escape rooms, and you can take a look into our prop controller and even see a live demo where you can step through the entire user interface, completely configure, see every single possibility that's there today. If there's something that's missing, we would love to hear from you. We'd love to get it added. We want this to be everything everyone always needs to reach for. If I need a prop controller, this is the one.